And so guys, have a look. This is our batch tap pyrolysis plant, and you can see the whole machine is right here.
Yes.
And this is very important part in our whole lines here. And you can have the details here.
And this one is complete reactor at here. Okay, I have let you know. We have different capacity, like 100 kg and 500 kg. Also, 1 ton, 5 tons, and 12 tons, and 15 tons capacity. Yeah.
Yeah, and all those capacity is only for the batch tap pyrolysis plant.
Yes.
And we have more big is about our continuous pyrolysis plant.
Yes.
So if you are interested about the batch tap pyrolysis plant or the continuous pyrolysis plant, you can just connect our customer service. We are here waiting for you. The professional team,
yes.
we're waiting for you, everyone.
And we will give you more details and information about these machines and the project to ensure their profits.